Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erlan Priadi from class A3. Miss, permission. I don't use my alma mater because yesterday I had a motorbike accident while on my way to campus. Uh, right now, I want to explain about my PPT final test. Material number one, part of speech. Number two, make a video. Number three, engineering journal. Number four, job application letter. Number five, interview. Next slide. The first slide, introduction. In the Big English Library Dictionary, introduction can be interpreted as prefix or introduction. So, in short, material is very important for you to study as basic material in learning English. Next slide, how to write introduction text. Number one, opening. Number two, main idea. And number three, closing. Hints of introduction. Number one, self introduction. And number two, introducing others. Next, noun. Noun are words used to name or refer to people, things, place, and ideas. In other words, this word refers to physical object and abstract concept. Next, kinds of noun. Number one, concrete and abstract noun. Number two, countable and uncountable noun. Number three, common and proper noun. And number four, collective noun. Next, pronoun. Pronouns are words that are used to replace nouns in English, and pronouns are divided into several types according to their function. Next, kinds of pronoun. Number one, personal pronoun. Number two, possessive pronoun. Number three, reflexive pronoun and intensive pronoun. Number four, interrogative pronoun. Next, verb. A verb is a from that function to explain an action or situation directly or indirectly, visible or invisible. Kinds of verb. Number one, auxiliary. Wait. Next, kinds of verb. Number one, auxiliary verb. Number two, linking verb. Number three, modal verb. Number four, transitive verb. Number five, intransitive verb. Number six, regular verb. And number seven, irregular verb. Next, conjunction. Kinds of conjunction. Number one, compound conjunction. And number two, correlative conjunction. Next, adverb. The Cambridge Dictionary explained that adverbs are one of the four main classes of word along with noun, verb, and adjective. This is kinds of pronoun. Next, adjective. An adjective is a word that describes the nature of an object. The characteristic themselves have been explained previously. Next, this is I skins of adjective. This is example of adjective and reading. Next, benefit from the material received. By knowing the part of speech, someone can find of the function of the words in sentence. Apart from that, parts of speak is the first step you need to learn when learning English. It used to understand sentence from in English. Next, make a video. This is report about material English, conversation, and interview, and benefit from the make video. Practice public speaking and dialogue and in English, and also know how to interview. Next, engineering journal. This is example of journal artifi- artificial intelligence. Next, benefit from the material received. Improve academic skills, writing journal article requires in-depth research and critical analysis, can improve students' communication skill. Reading journal article can help students understand the format and writing style commonly used in journal. Next, job application letter. This is an example of jobs application letter and benefit from the material. Making a job application letter in a format that completes with the provision will of course give you many great benefit. One or of the benefit is that it can give you a bigger advantage or over other applicants who don't use the correct format. Next, the last interview. This is example of interview. Next, benefit from the material reserve. Job interview are not only beneficial for the recruits or the company HRD team. This means that the suitability of the job with the benefit offered must also be explored by job application first this interview stage. Uh, thank you. That's all from me. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.